Hello, this is Mr. Turek, and today I'm going to show you how to place an image in Yearbook Avenue. It's pretty straightforward. Up here, you're going to have the place new photo box, and you can kind of choose the shape of the photo box up here. But as soon as you click on one of these shapes, you automatically place an image box. And here you can resize it. You can kind of just like give it a manually change its size down here, then the X, Y, WH if you want a certain proportion. Once you got the size of this box, you can go to images. We made a folder earlier called test images, and from here I can click and drag images into the green area, and there's my image. It does a good job of automatically resizing the image depending on how wide or narrow you make this. When you make it smaller than the proportions of the image, it crops in. When you make it larger, it automatically fills it up. And that's kind of handy. That makes things a little bit easier for you. Another way to see how the image is being cropped is to go to Format and click on this crop button, and here you can sort of manually slide it around and use this little this I don't like. I don't why is this a slider? Why is that a slider? But yeah, I guess that's how they do it. So you can use that to move it around and crop in on your images. Jostens actually recommends that you do all your cropping in the spread with that crop button, and that does certainly save time, but I'm going to teach you how to edit photos in Photoshop and Lightroom, and I would really prefer you try to crop them intelligently in there. If you know, for instance, you're going to use an image for a spread, because the crop tool in here is kind of weird and finicky, and it's a slider, which just is bizarre. I mean, what if you want precision? It doesn't really offer a lot of precision. Just sort of like you have to like slowly make this larger, smaller, and that just seems very frustrating. So yeah, that's how you place images, and you can, of course, change your shape anytime you want. If you have your image placed, you can click this make background thing. If you want to make it your background, Control Z. Oh my god, that's not what I wanted. I wanted to change the shape back to normal. You can also add a caption. If you've tagged your photos and you have you can make a caption from that based on what you've tagged the photo as. And you can manage, you can add like a stroke, an outline to your image. You can change the transparency of it. All sorts of fun stuff. Pretty straightforward. One thing I am going to caution you against is placing images into text. That can be kind of frustrating. If you want to, you can, though. When you have text, you can just like click and drag, and if the text highlights green, you can place it in your image. To move it around, again, you just go to Format, Crop, and you can use these bizarre slider things, and you can move your image around. But this is okay. It just doesn't offer. It's just weird. I mean, sure, I'll get used to it, but yeah, that's what you got for placing images and putting them inside shapes.